This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Natalie Lique. Welcome to this lovely rental with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. Boasts a cathedral ceiling in the great room and has a great layout. The kitchen has marble tile countertops and custom woodwork. Newer laminate vinyl flooring on the first floor, with laminate floors and ceramic tile flooring upstairs. Location is near dining, entertainment, recreation and Ocean Naval Base. One pet under 50 pounds may be considered with pet deposit and pet rent. Sorry, no smoking inside home. Available now. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie Lique at 757-420-0071.